If you're thinking about building a retaining wall this year, you're probably wondering, what does it actually cost? In this video, I'll walk you through some real pricing based on the walls we build right here in Western Pennsylvania. I'll also help you understand what drives those numbers. For most of our clients, retaining wall costs fall into three general categories. Small walls, like a 2-foot sitting wall or something supporting a landscape bed, usually start around $6,000. Mid-size walls, like a 4-foot tall wall that's like 50 feet long, often land between $24,000 and $28,000. Larger structural walls can range much higher depending on the site. A lot of these projects can be $40,000, $50,000, even $60,000 projects. If you're thinking in square footage, you're likely looking at $75 to $120 per square foot installed. That includes excavation, base prep, the wall itself, grid, and backfill, all done by a reputable contractor. Why such a big range? Here's what affects the price the most. Size, height, and length. A bigger wall, higher cost. Access. Can machines reach the site, or do we have to move everything by hand? The materials. Standard block might run $13 to $15 per square foot. Premium block or luxury stone could be up to $40 to $45 a square foot. Footer complexity. A step footer takes more time and precision than a flat one. Lastly, what the wall is holding back. Is it a flat slope or a driveway with vehicles? That changes the grid and backfill requirements significantly. Let's talk about the materials we use. We only install segmental wall block or natural stone. Those are the materials we trust and can stand behind with a warranty. We don't install timber or poured concrete walls because timber walls really don't last and poured concrete walls aren't our specialty. Natural stone walls are amazing, but they can be more expensive, especially if freight's involved. Both options give us a durable, buildable, and great looking wall. How cheap walls fail. This is where DIY or cut-rate contractors get it wrong. No grid or backfill system, no footing course, just stacking block on dirt. Using black corrugated pipe instead of proper PVC for drainage. Skipping, leveling, and grinding between rows. We level at every 2 rows, not just at the top. The footing course is the very first row of block. It has to be perfectly level on a compacted base. If that first course is off, the whole wall will show it. That attention to detail is why our walls last. It's slow work, but the results are worth it. Most homeowners don't realize that about 30 to 40% of the labor cost happens before the first block even goes down in the ground. Excavation, base prep, drainage, and layout, it's slow, technical, and crucial. It's a big reason why a good wall costs what it does. Our best clients appreciate that we don't cut corners, that we clean up every day, that we check every little chip, swap out bad blocks, and that we design walls with the right structure and the right warranty, based on what your site actually needs. Let's talk about permits and engineering quick. For walls over 4 foot high, most townships in Western Pennsylvania require engineering. We partner with trusted engineers to make sure your wall is safe, permitted, and approved. If you're getting quotes for a retaining wall, make sure you know what's included. A cheap wall is cheaper until it has to be built twice.